Today we're going to look a little bit at math and science. And how we're going to do that is we're going to compare the size of our planets and the length of their rotation on a bar graph. So what I want you to do is take out your science notebook, turn to a nice clean sheet. Down towards the bottom you're going to make a line. This is your x-axis line. And then over on the side, make sure you leave enough space so that you can label your side here with your hour increments and what we're measuring. So a nice tall line. Okay, so down here, this is going to be the size of the planets. So you write size of planets. And we're going to go smallest to largest. So I already know my smallest planet is Mercury. So I'm going to write that right there. All right, so I want you to follow all these steps as I go along, and then you're going to complete it on your own. Now you can use the lines in your notebook, your note paper, to do your increments, but I don't have that, so I'm going to use my ruler here. And I'm just doing about every ½ inch. I'm going to mark these off. So you can either use one line, or if you want to do 2 lines to make it just a little bit easier to see, you can do that. So mark these off in your notebook. All right, and we're going to do these are going to be hour increments, and we're going to do every 2 hours here. So I've got 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14. Apparently the cat wants to be in the video. 16, 18, 22, 24, 26, 28, 30, 32, 34. We'll just go up that high. Now, as you're plotting your graph, as you're making your bars, you guys all know how to do this probably from 4th grade and even before that. You're going to take, so this is hours. So this is length of rotation in hours. All right. So when you start looking back at your notes to figure out, first of all, the size of your planets, so you need to start with Mercury, which is your smallest, and you need to line them up along your line until you get to your biggest planet. Then you also need to go back into your notes and figure out the hours of rotation. And when you look at Mercury, you're going to notice that it is not in hours, but it's 59 days it takes. So to show that on our graph, because to do days, we'd have to have a pretty tall graph. So what we're going to do is we're going to just take Mercury, take it up, and we're going to take it way up to the top. This means that it just keeps going. It's going to go way off our graph. Okay? As you do your other planets, you're going to have one more that's going to be like Mercury. It's going to be in days instead of hours. And you just do the same thing for that graph. Okay? Your other ones, you should be able to match up your hours, draw your graph. Then at the bottom of your science notebook or on another page, you're going to answer the question, is there a relationship between the size of the planet and the length of their rotation? And hand that in. Thank you.